G'day everyone, it's Wayne and Judy here from Down Under. Now this is a White Peerless that we've just picked up, got from a dear friend over in South Australia. And as you can see here, it looks pretty sad. But I think we're about to tell you it's not quite as sad as what it actually looks. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a quick 5-minute once over. And show you what a difference just a couple of minutes can make. So you can see the emblem in there, you know. It's never going to look $1 million, but and all we've got here is just straightforward sewing machine oil. So we've given it a brush off. So what I'll do is I'll turn this over. I'll turn this on its end here so you can have a look at this. So you can see here, so all we're going to do is just gently rub the sewing machine oil into it. So you can see all that crazing there. That sewing machine oil is just going to go into that and make it look pretty normal. So you can see just with a couple of minutes, or maybe seconds, same as up here. Right, you don't want to use a lot of pressure on this because these decals are pretty delicate. So now we'll have a look in here. Turn this around again. So you can see that crazing all through here. So we're just going to have a look at the neck there. You've got it all up through there. And all this is going to do is this is just going to fill up all that little crazing or the chalkiness which has happened just over years. So in all honesty, just a few minutes, just that alone. You can see that chalkiness there. Well, same as you can see at the end there, you've got that chalkiness there. Let's just put a bit of oil in it, and the oil will go in there and it'll actually sort of like recondition. So you can just see in a few minutes. We'll now get a soft cloth and we will just gently, if I can find one round here, which I have. So this is now in. So we'll now get a soft cloth. And we'll just gently take it off. Right, nothing more than a good high quality sewing machine oil. See how nice does that look already? It's only just a few minutes. And it doesn't hurt if you leave the oil on there a little bit longer. It's only going to go in and but have a look at this. what we do in this situation is, after we've given it a clean up, what we normally do is give it a couple of coats of just a clear silicone spray. So it's non-abrasive. It doesn't matter how much oil you use, because it's only going to go in but already see, it's even turning. Needs a little bit more oil. But for just